What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a great week. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Lapino, the Apple Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to save your videos from your Blink XT to your Apple device, and all you have to do is save them automatically to your photo album, to your photo app. And I'm going to show you how to do this. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the Blink XT, I will have a link in the description on my unboxing and how to set this up via the Blink app, as you can see here. Now, we are in the app, as you can see. There's going to be a little folder on the top. You simply tap on that. You simply click on the video, and then all you have to do is let the video play. And if you've already played the video, as you can see in the top corner of the video, you hit share. There's a little share button. You simply tap on that. You hit save video, and then that's it. And then all you have to do is you exit your app. Then you go into your photos, and as you can see, it is automatically saved at the bottom. This is a video that we saved, and that is it. You can share the videos any way you want. You can share it via text message. As you can see right here, you can send it, depending on what apps you have that allow you to save it or send it. You can send it via text message to somebody. You can copy it. You can AirPlay it to a device. You can save it to a file. But if you want to share it to a friend, all you have to do is simply just tap on the messages, and then you can send it via text message to multiple people. And that's pretty much all you have to do when it comes to saving your video. And then once you're done, you simply would just exit out of your app. Then you can go back into the Blink, as you can see, and then you can just simply swipe and delete it. And you can do this for any number of your videos that you want. Well, obviously, it won't let you group batch them, but you can do them one by one, or you can do them depending on which one is most pertinent to you. And then all you have to do is hit the share again, and then that's it. So, um, that is pretty much all you have to do. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If this was very helpful, please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you will never miss content when I drop it. And I do drop content every other Thursday. And I just want to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel. I have now reached over 250 subscribers. Actually, I've gone over by one. And I have already done the GoPro giveaway. I've already alerted the person that I'm giving it away to, and but I don't want anyone to worry. I will be doing more giveaways in the future. I'm actually going to be doing one more, but this one's going to be a little bit different than my previous ones. I'm thinking of giving away a camera this time. Nothing really expensive, but something as a starter camera. And for that one, I'm looking at reaching my subscriber goal of about 500. So whether I reach 500 by the end of the year, whether I reach 500 by Christmas, once I reach 500 subscribers, then I will be doing a camera giveaway of that. And I want to thank everybody who is subscribed to my channel and everyone who is stuck with me. I want to thank you all. And again, thanks everybody. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button if this video was helpful, hit the bell notification, that way you will never miss content when I drop it, and everybody